is June 6th on Saturday, so just update. My lettuces are growing. I planted some carrots right here a few days ago. They haven't come up. That's my basil. My cucumber is starting to shoot up. My beans, that one is, but that one's not. So, but I gave them some Epsom salt today and some fishing lotion. That is zucchini, I believe, and that is yellow squash. I don't know which is which, but I believe that's the zucchini, that's the yellow squash. You'll see. Haven't put my other stuff in there yet because it still has not grown up all the way. What I got on my patio, my collard greens has leaf mammers. I didn't know what it was, but I put it in a Facebook group and they told me what it was, so I put Nemo on it and I squished them and I cut off the leaves that were bad, and I think they came out because I did it, and then I got these little holes and these little brown dead spots, but I smushed the leaves like that. I watched a few videos and that's what it told me to do. You can cut it off too. So I cut off a piece of that leaf, but I cut off the ones that was really bad and left the ones that was not all that bad. I don't know if I still can eat them, but I'm trying to save the plant. I can cut them off later after, you know, the new leaves come on and get big, but I'm going to watch it and put it on there every week. So, or whenever I see anything, it may be shorter than a week. But yeah. That's it. I put them in pots. I don't know what they're going to do anyway because it's probably too hot in Georgia. This is just an experiment. I just put a whole bunch of spinach in my pot. I had potted these two big ones by themselves in my little planter cups. And then when I repotted them, I just put more seeds in there. And these seeds came up really fast. Them took forever, but those came up within days. Then I did it normal, how you're supposed to do it. I did them on 523. That's when I did that too. And I put, I think, 3 things of spinach in here. And I got some chives growing along the edges. I put them in that pot with them. And in this pot, I got basil, but I didn't realize I put so much. It was taking forever to come up in other pots. Not sure why, but as soon as I put it in this pot, they came up. So I got basil, chives, and green onions in here. These are the chives, and I believe that must be the green onions, or vice versa, because they look different. So I'm not 100% certain. But I have this one here. And then I have that one there, and I think I planted the green onions on each of the corners, and then the chives just throughout. But I see I have, those seeds are very small, so they probably just flew everywhere, and you can't tell how many you got, because when I say they're very, 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 very tiny, they are. So here's my mint and my sage. They got a little green on it. The pot may be too small. I don't know. I may repot it. This stuff is still not going. That's my poblano peppers. These are some more poblano pepper seeds. They came out of a pepper that I had. I didn't buy the seeds, so they're not germinating. This is my avocado tree. It is growing. It has come up out of the root. I don't know if you guys can see that. Right there. It came all the way up. It's growing at the bottom. I don't know why it turned green. I brought it outside and now it's green. Must be pollen. Not sure, but I'm gonna change the water. These are my eggplant that has took 50 days to come out of these cups. I started this back in April and they're just growing. I thought everything was dead and I was going to throw these out. Same with this. This is basil that I planted back the end of April. It is just growing. Not sure what made it come up, but it did. So I left the rest of them because hell, they may come up too. But now the eggplant has come up in every cup, and on the back of the thing it said it germinates in 10 to 12 days. Yeah, it's been 50. Close to it. So that's what I have there. That's my rosemary. And that is, what is that? Spinach. I don't have spinach everywhere, but I eat spinach almost every day. That's beautiful. Right? There's some herbs I put in there and they came out. Of course, my money tree is still out here where I repotted it. I just left it outside. This is eggplant and green beans. I did 3 green beans and only 2 came up. And I left them there. That is, I think it says basil. That probably ain't gonna come up, but it might. But I don't need more. I don't know. This is my jalapeno plant. I do finally have 1 flower on it. And it started off down here, and now it's up there. It's getting real big. It's growing up. I'm gonna host it and let it just go up this pole. And I still haven't put it in this new pot. This is my yellow coconut squash. I cut the other 2 that was in there out, so now it's just a single plant. So now it's starting to grow much better since I cut the other out. This one has 2 plants in this pot, and it is massive growing. I do have 3 fruits on it now. I don't know if you guys can see it down there. See right there. If I can hold my hand and finger, but right there, there's 1. It has 3. It has, I see 2 on this one and 1 on the other. But it has a lot of flowers down in there. But the rain, it's been raining bad. Storm and rain. And it's been beating my plant up. This isn't bugs. This is where the rain has beat it. Where I got it up under the window. And it's dripping down water, and it comes down really hard. I probably need to move them, but yeah, whatever. I think they like it right there the way they're growing. These are my tomato plants. I have 3 different variations, as I showed you guys in the other starter videos. Just check up at the top and it'll link you to my first garden video and then my last one. But I now have blooms, so tomatoes will soon come, and I have 3 different variations, like I said, but they've got massive. This is the one I thought wasn't going to survive, but it has, and it's not confirmed that those are marigolds that I planted in there. I also planted some chives in there too. Look, they're not doing too well. I saw one come up in one of them, but the marigolds, this rain beat that one there from the roots out of the ground, so I need to pull it up, to be honest. But I cut the leaves, pruned it off the bottom of that one, and it's doing pretty good. Can't tell that it was dried out and damaged at the beginning, but these are indeterminate, so they will grow up my side of my house, so they make it too big for this pot. I don't know, but when they stop, they stop, and then I can do about that. And this one has started getting flowers too. They haven't bloomed, but or sprouted on this one. They're just there. But it's getting so much rain that I hope it's not going to damage them. But they're all growing pretty good, so that is it for my weekly garden update. I put my fish emoji in there, and I actually made it up and put it in this thing for water. And then last week, a week before last, whenever I first did it, And then the day when I used it and poured it in my watering can, I noticed that it had algae growing in it. So maybe I'm not supposed to do that. But no, I'll just pour it out. I'll see how they do this week. Hopefully it don't kill my plants. But put my finger in the way. I'm using my iPhone today. Well, hopefully it don't kill them. And that's it. And my 50 feet tree, I haven't repotted that. I set it in a pot. I got 3 pots to repot. Put the fig on one, put that on one, and then that over there, that never go in one. So then I got some more in the garage. So that's it. So thanks for watching, you guys. Have a great day. Bye.